There are several ways to reduce the cost of construction. Here are a few strategies you can consider. 1. Plan and design efficiently. Invest time and effort in the planning and design phase to ensure that the project is well thought out. This can help avoid costly changes and modifications during construction. 2. Obtain multiple quotes. Seek quotes from different contractors and suppliers to compare prices and negotiate better deals. This can help you find the most cost-effective options for materials and services. 3. Value engineering. Look for alternative materials or construction methods that can provide similar functionality at a lower cost. Value engineering involves finding ways to optimize the project's value without compromising quality. 4. Optimize material usage. Minimize waste by accurately estimating the required quantities of materials and ordering accordingly. Additionally, consider using recycled or salvaged materials where appropriate. 5. Consider energy efficiency. Incorporate energy-efficient design elements and technologies into your construction project. Although there may be an initial cost, energy-efficient features can lead to long-term savings on utilities. 6. Simplify the design. Complex architectural designs and intricate details can significantly increase construction costs. Simplifying the design can help reduce labor and material expenses. 7. Time management. Efficient project scheduling and management can help minimize delays and associated costs. Ensure effective coordination between different trades and subcontractors to avoid idle time and rework. 8. Regular communication. Maintain open and transparent communication with the construction team to address any issues or concerns promptly. This can help prevent costly mistakes and ensure everyone is on the same page. Remember, cost reduction should be balanced with quality and safety considerations. It is always advisable to consult with professionals and experts in the construction industry.